And now to our market monitor, who's betting big on healthcare with stocks he says will rise 25 to 40% over the next year and a half. He is Michael Mussio, portfolio manager at FBB Capital, a wealth management firm. Michael, welcome. Nice to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Let's start with your picks because I'm interested in some of the reasoning behind it. Danaher is one of the stocks, and you're looking for companies that you think are in the first stages of kind of longer-term transitions. Tell me about it.
That's right. So Danaher is a great example. They announced an acquisition in the healthcare arena of Paul Corp about a month ago, and the company's actually going to be splitting. So in the next year and a half, you're going to have an old line kind of industrial business, which was Danaher's core business, and then you're going to have this faster growing healthcare business. And we see that as a potential catalyst for shareholders to have two smaller companies instead of one bigger company that are each going to be leveraged well to do more acquisitions and generate more internal growth. That's a great example.
Your second choice, on which you have, I think, a $168 price target or thereabouts, is United Healthcare. I assume this is because you believe United will be one of the last men standing, one of the winners in the consolidation that's going on.
Yeah, that's right, Tyler. So you have the biggest of the breed, so to speak, and United actually is the most diversified. So they have not just healthcare management part of the business, but again, internally they have a faster growing business in the pharmacy benefit management part of healthcare. And the whole group kind of got a lift here in the last week and a half or so. Some of that overhang from a potential negative decision from the Affordable Care Act. Supreme Court kind of took that risk away. So we do see consolidation happening, even though there's some jockeying on share prices right now.
Cerner is your last pick, a price target of $100 over the next 18 to 24 months. And this is a digital solution, you say, to healthcare efficiencies. And a lot of people feel like the healthcare industry is not very efficient. So it's an interesting pick.
Yes, so Cerner is kind of that waste, fraud, and abuse within the healthcare system. Cerner really addresses that waste aspect, and it is the largest independent IT services company for healthcare. They've got a really impressive growth trajectory over the last 10 years of 20% plus, and we see that going for the next 5 years. A little bit growthier name there, so not for the faint of heart. It doesn't have some of the dividend protection that Danaher and United do. But we think that the company's on a good track.
All right, Michael, thank you very much. Michael Mussio with FBB Capital.